Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy cuff pillow on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is a online marketplace, shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So here we can just come to the temu.com and here we'll directly search for cuff pillow. Okay, so here we can see cuff pillow. Okay, so here we have many types of pillow, so I will be going with this pillow. Okay, at the cost of $7.80. Okay, so here we can see, so this pillow is basically for our uh, leg, and it gives the reliefs to our body parts. So you can just use on leg, back and a lumbar support, and you have a knee also in this. So here we can see the product. Okay, so it's come with a good quality, its foam is very good and reliable, and here we can see the reviews of the product. Okay, so here we can see the other things. So here we can see the detail. So it have a clean spots. Okay, spot clean, and the design is medium soft, and we can see more details here. Okay, so it is made of the polyester, and it's have a memory foam. So here we can see the other detail. It gives a height of 15 centimeter, breadth of 20 centimeter, and a length of 25 centimeter. So here we can just see all the details. So to buy the product, you have to click on the add to cart button, then you have to click on buy, then you can just follow the instruction to purchase, follow the instruction for to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a cuff pillow and a cuff pillow on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money. Thank you for watching.